Let's design dashboard cards using the section component. The section component helps in keeping the components together without grouping them. First, drag and drop the section component from the Components sidebar inside MockFlow Wireframe Pro. You can resize, change colors, and edit the title of the section component to create your dashboard card. As you add components to the section component, they automatically attach to it, enabling you to reposition the card without grouping. With all the necessary cards in place, we have successfully built a dashboard wireframe. That's how you can effortlessly design a dashboard with cards using MockFlow's section component. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials.